Imagine paying out for home insurance year after year, and then finding out at the critical moment that your insurance policy only pays out about half the claims made. It sounds shocking, but that's exactly what the FCA has just revealed. According to new figures, some insurers only paid out on around 40 to 45% of buildings insurance claims in 2023. And even one of the biggest names in the industry only accepted around half of buildings insurance claims, and around 60 to 65% of home policies where buildings and contents were combined. And across the market, the average is still only 63 to 72%. And Consumer Group Which has even made a super complaint to the FCA, calling for enforcement action by the FCA because consumers just aren't getting what they've been promised. When you take out home insurance, you're not really expecting to have to make a claim. But if disaster does strike, from a burst pipe to a fire to storm damage, then the last thing you want is a battle with your insurer. And low claims acceptance rates means lengthy disputes, families left out of pocket, and homes that are unprotected when people thought they were safe. But here's the thing. Not all insurance is created equal. Budget 3-star policies often look cheaper on paper, but here's what's missing. First, there's trace and access. That's covering the cost of finding and fixing a hidden leak. And then there's alternative accommodation. That's covering the cost of finding you somewhere else to live when your home is uninhabitable. And then there's more restrictive limits on things like outbuildings, valuables, and accidental damage. By contrast, a Defaqto 5-star policy, the type that we would recommend, is designed for real-life scenarios. Proper cover for trace and access. Accommodation so you're not left homeless in an emergency. Higher levels of cover, better complaint handling, and stronger claim acceptance rates. So going direct online might save you a couple of quid up front, but it can cost you thousands later when your claim gets rejected. As a broker, I only recommend Defaqto 5-star policies, and I can make sure that you get the right policy with the features that matter for when things go wrong. So next time you come to renew your house insurance, ask yourself, is it really protecting me? Or is it just cheap until I need it? If you want peace of mind with a Defaqto 5-star policy, then get in touch. Let's make sure your home and your family are properly protected.